I'm going to pull the fire alarm at my school and make everyone go insane. Now I'm going to run from the school.
When Franklin got home.
Franklin, why you're home early?
Because our school have huge fire, so we have 3 months off.
Oh really? Let's watch the news.
Hi, welcome to Political News. A boy with black hair, tan pants, tan skin, black shirt, and black shoes pulled the fire alarm. His name is Franklin.
Well, I saw Franklin running from the school. Oh my god, Franklin's going to jail forever. That's all the news. You're going to jail. You're guilty when we go to Chorp.
Chorp is now on session. Franklin, plead if you're guilty. Plead not guilty. Okay, I will call Katana to the stand first.
Franklin is the worst Adult Swim character and my worst student. He is guilty.
I call Omar, Lizzie, and Lily to the stand.
Franklin is my super ultra mega bad son. He's guilty.
Franklin is my extremely ultra super mega bad son. He is guilty.
Franklin is my extremely ultra mega bad brother. He is guilty.
Since he is guilty, he will go to jail until his execution is at midnight. Guards, take him away.
This is your cell. Franklin, you're grounded until you die in hell in 8 hours. Your execution.
8 hours later.
It's time for your execution. Any last words?
Plead not guilty. I don't want to die.
Too bad.